Oh, hi everyone. I just did a pour and it hasn't taken very long to do, like talking a few minutes, so I'm going to do a second one and put them together so you get 2 for 1. And what I have on here is the leftover, it's a pour off, but it's also the leftover paint from the dustpan that I used, so it's in here, and I'm just doing this. And then what I'm going to do is just empty all of the paints onto here like this, and there'll be enough once I get them all on. And we have to come blue, and I'm hoping that this one will be as brilliant as the one that you've just been watching. And oh, I love the other one. Okay, so there's the blue, there's some white, some black around the edge, and the gold. You're coming out. Come out, gold, we want to play. And I will just do the same thing. Okay. And now all I'm going to do, that I have that in there, is swirl it around. And then if I need to, I can wiggle and waggle, I think. You need to go over the edge there. That's good. Oops. Probably easier if I do it like this. Down you come. Okay, let me see, let's bring this down here a bit more. Is that going to come down? I think it is. Right. Come down here. When you're ready, paint. I think it's moving. Just want that gold to come down a little bit more. Little, diddle, diddle, that'll do, that's good. Oh, this one's just as pretty. Bring it back to the middle a tad. And wipe my hands. And have a little wiggle. Okay. That is one of my geckos that lives here. He's up rather, I don't know if it'd be early or late for him. They usually come out at dusk. And they're gone by this time of the day. Okay, I'm happy. I might just add a little bit of red in there, I think. Okay, we have a bit of gold left there. Okay, that's good. I don't know why they have to have their stupid bikes so loud and noisy. Probably because they can. Listen to him, he's miles up the road, you can still hear him. And right, oops. I don't love what I did there. Okay, that got rid of that. There was a little line there. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to take a look at this chappy and see what you think. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium, as I said in the previous part, is below show more, along with my Facebook group, or a link to it. They're not there. And I hope you've enjoyed. Here we go. Go out. Okay, thank you. Now we're going to have a look at it properly. That's not orange, that's gold. So it's really shimmery. You can see it's just starting to show its true colour. And I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this. I certainly have. And goodness, really two pretty ones in a row. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.